everyone, welcome to Mathematics Domain. In this video, I am going to teach you a topic of class 12th from chapter 1 Relation and Function. So today I am going to introduce some concept of relations. Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then Cartesian product of sets A and B is denoted by A cross B and is defined by the set of all ordered pairs A, B where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That is, A cross B is equal to pair A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Let us look at this example. If A equal to the set containing three elements 1, 2 and 3 and B with another set containing two elements A and B, then A cross B equal to the set containing ordered pairs 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, 2, B, 3, A and 3, B. And similarly, B cross A equal to the set containing ordered pairs A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, B, 1, B, 2 and B, 3. So in general, A cross B may not be equal to B cross A. A cross B is equal to B cross A only when A equal to B. If number of elements in A equal to M and number of elements in B is equal to N, then number of elements in A cross B will be equal to Mn. Relation from set A to set B. Any subset of A cross B is known as relation from A to B. It is generally denoted by R. Let us look at this example. If A is the set containing three elements 1, 2 and 3 and B with another set containing two elements A and B, then A cross B is equal to the set containing ordered pairs 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, 2, B, 3, A and 3, B. Now R1 is equal to the set containing pairs 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, 2, B. And similarly R2 is the set containing ordered pairs 1, A, 1, B, 3, B. And R3 is the null set. See, all these R1, R2 and R3 are the subset of A cross B. Therefore, all these are relations from A to B. If number of elements in A equal to M and the number of elements in B equal to N, then number of elements in A cross B equal to Mn and number of distinct relation from A to B is equal to 2 to power Mn. Relation on set A. Any subset of A cross A is known as relation on set A. Examples. If A is the set containing three elements 1, 2 and 3, then A cross A is equal to the set containing ordered pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Now R1 is equal to the set containing the pairs 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. And R2 is the set containing ordered pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. And R3 is the set containing pairs 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3 are all relations on A because all the three R1, R2 and R3 are the subset of A cross A. So if number of elements in A equal to m, then number of elements in A cross A will be m square. Therefore, number of distinct relations on A is equal to 2 to power m square.